Let's talk about something, your English. So how did you learn it? How much time did you spend on your learning? And what are the methods did you follow to improve it?
And I listening this podcast, the English conversations in morning when I am preparing food.
Know all the
That
rules, know all the grammar, but you never try to speak with someone. But after
yeah,
watching these
I
videos, you try to inculcate this habit of speaking as well.
yes, right. I know grammar. I can write a sentence by using proper grammar. But what happen now when I'm speaking? I think I'm making some mistake for using grammar.
Okay. Yeah, initially sometimes it's until you speak, you never know what kind of problems are you going to face while having
Right.
conversation. So for one minor
Mhm.
thing which I have noticed is with your pronunciation. I think you have that MTI issue.
Right. Yes, I also recognized that just my pronunciation is not perfect.
Yeah, very good afternoon, Mona Lisa, right?
You're right. My name is Mona Lisa.
How are you
And
doing?
how are you? Yes, I'm doing fantastic. And how about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. I'm feeling excited to connect with you. I was actually forgot about this session, but thankfully you remind me, and then I thought, okay, yes, I have to have this session. It's
Yes,
finally we
I
are
can
here.
resonate. Yes. I can resonate with you because you have two kids now. That's a lot of works actually when you have two kids. And they are also boy.
Yes, that's the main problem. So, can you
Yes.
start with your introduction because I don't know anything about you.
Yes, my name is Mona Lisa Biswal. I'm from Odisha. And by profession, I am a civil engineer. And I have also one son. Nowadays, he is 12 years old and studying in classics.
Okay.
It's all
That's
about, it's a little bit about me.
great. And are you a YouTuber as well?
But not actually. I was on a YouTube channel on cooking. But
On cooking.
nowadays I'm not uploading any video because you can understand I am a working person and also I have a child. That's why it's very hectic
It's very hard.
to prepare a cooking video. Actually, you have to refresh all the time the camera.
Right. Even I used to do it when channel I used to upload cooking videos, especially when I cook breakfast. I used to record it, I used to upload it. People used to like it, but I feel that it consume a lot of time of yours.
Yes. Actually, I think cooking video takes a lot of
Lot
time
of time.
because in that you have to clean the platform also, the stove also, always.
You have to be
Yeah.
clean first of all before you start recording. Otherwise, people will make negative comments on that, like how you are preparing, your kitchen is dirty, this and that. However, it's
Yes.
very normal thing to like having kitchen dirty at the time of cooking. It's very normal for every family, I feel, because once you have done cooking, then you start cleaning it nicely. We keep cleaning even in the between the cooking, but it's not that we can always keep it clean, neat and clean. It's not possible.
Yes. It's a actually really hectic job.
Yeah. So what are your hobbies?
My hobbies, if I talk about my hobbies, I like to gardening, also reading English books and cooking.
Cooking. So what do you like to
Yes.
cook? What is that one dish which you feel that every person likes in your family?
I paneer butter masala and sometimes chili paneer and egg fried rice. My son likes most the egg fried rice, whichever I prepare.
Egg fried rice, right?
Yeah, rice,
That's what my
egg fried.
husband likes.
Yeah,
A
really?
lot, a lot. But I don't know how to make it. It's a I feel the tedious task. We have to do a lot of preparation in order to prepare that fried rice with eggs.
Not
I think
actually, it's very easy.
it's easy.
It's less time consuming. Yeah, it's very
But
easy.
okay, I don't usually cook. I think I made it once only and they liked it a lot. I never cooked
Mm.
after that.
Actually, cooking is a low hanging fruit for me.
Okay. Okay. Apart from that, like paneer butter masala, that's what I'm gonna cook today night. Yeah, for dinner.
Okay.
Even I like it.
Okay.
Let's talk about something, your English.
Okay,
It
yeah,
is
this is
already
the
good, I
important
feel.
topic.
Yeah. So, how did you learn it? How much time did you spend on your learning? And what are the methods did you follow to improve it?
Actually, when I was a child, I'm very enthusiastic and very passionate about English. But in that time, I don't think that yes, I am going to speak in English. Till now, it's only 3 months before. I just once watching a translated video in English. Okay, in that time, one another video pop up. I just click. Okay, I just find it interesting. She was the Rajni Burma from Rajasthan, the YouTuber. Okay, I have watched that video, and after that, I just watching that video one by one, every day. Okay, and from her video, I get to know about you. Also from Minupuri ma'am and Asudos.
Ashutosh.
Yes, yes. I got to know all about you, and then I have just look search your name also, and I found you. Nowadays, I'm watching your video, Minu ma'am's video, and Rajni Bama's video as well. And it's only 3 months ago, but after watching those videos, I started talking. Okay,
Oh,
that's yeah, actually, huh? Only it's for 3 months, and after that, I also got to know the fear of app from those videos, and I installed that app. Nowadays, I'm speaking by using that app,
okay. Apart from that,
and
any reading, writing?
yes, yes. Also, I'm reading for 10 to 15 minutes in the evening, and I listening this podcast, the English conversations in morning when I'm preparing food.
Okay.
And also, when I get some free time, I also use to it for English only.
Okay, okay, okay. So you feel that just by watching those videos, your English is improving.
Yeah, I know English better before, but I'm not using to speak it.
Okay. You know all the
That
rules, know all the grammar, but you never try to speak with someone. But after
yeah,
watching these
I
videos, you try to inculcate this habit of speaking as well.
yes, yes, right, right. I know grammar. I can write a sentence by using proper grammar. But what happen now when I'm speaking? I think I'm making some mistake for using grammar.
Okay. Yeah, initially sometimes it's until you speak, you never know what kind of problems are you going to face while having
Right?
conversation. So for that reason, you
Yes,
have to dive into that. Same like if you
yes.
want to learn swimming, you have to dive into the water. Then only you got to know, okay, you have to move your hands
Yes.
in that direction. Similarly, when you dive yourself into speaking routine,
Mhm.
you get to know a lot of different things that you need to work upon you. One minor
Mhm.
thing which I have noticed is with your pronunciation. I think you have that MTI issue.
Right, right. That yes, I also recognized that just my pronunciation is not perfect.
Pronunciation is
That
also good. I think it's all about the way you speak your mother tongue. What is your mother tongue?
Odia,
That's
my
why.
mother
That's
tongue is
why it's
Odia.
there. So once you will practice with, like, if you will watching any video, you just need to try to imitate like them initially. So if you will do it 100%, that will also resolve. Apart from that, I think you are a great speaker.
Thank you so much. But you are praising me a lot. Actually, I'm not that level of speaker.
No, no, you are good. Every person has to understand that they can do this thing. If you will feel demotivated, even at any particular point, I think that's going to impact your whole journey. So you always have to be motivated. You have to say this to yourself that you are already good. You just need to polish it. And then you will put your 100% efforts.
Yeah. But I'm confident. I can speak whatever I know. I'm confident, but I know
Right.
I'm making pronunciation mistakes are there, and I have to go a long way for the pronunciation only.
Right, right, right. That's true. That's true. What
And
else would you like to share apart from this? You have any question, you can also ask me.
yeah, I have watched your old videos also, na. There is a, big gap between that charisma and this charisma nowadays. Nowadays, your personality have fully changed.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's
Uh,
what I have promised in the beginning of 2025, that this year I'm gonna change my personality, not only the outer personality, but inner personality, just in terms of communication. This is what I have promised, and that I said on my YouTube channel. So now the people like you, when they appreciate me that your personality has changed, you are growing a lot, I feel really happy and confident.
yeah, right, right. Actually, what happened now when we change our hairstyle, our dressing, and sometimes when I change our sitting posture, huh, that's make us very what can I say, the attractive person, right now.
Right, right, right. You are absolutely true. Just give me 1 second. I'm getting
Okay,
an important message. I have to answer that.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Actually, what happened today, my whole family, nobody is there at home. I am all alone, and it is happening first time after years.
Really? Then why?
Seriously. My whole family, they went to a puja, and I was not feeling well in the morning, and I had no plan to go. So my kids, my mother-in-law, my husband, they all went there. So I think by the time three,
Okay,
4, I am just free, and that's how I am enjoying. So I got the message
okay.
from him that we reached. So I said, okay.
Okay, but it's actually it's sometimes very important to stay yourself, stay alone. Yeah, yes. But when our kids are around us, we don't just think about ourselves. Okay,
Not able to
that happens.
concentrate on any single thing when kids are
Yes,
around you, because every time they
yes.
ask something, and or even if they're not asking, we have to keep an eye on them, that what they are doing. That's the main
Mm.
problem.
And the younger one is 2 years old now.
Right, 2 years old, and
Oh
he's like
my God.
nowadays. But I'm enjoying that time. Literally, touch wood. I'm literally enjoying him because now he started speaking, started doing activities. Oh my God, it's so lovely to watch him.
Yes, yes. But we have to more curious about his activity also, because we don't know, and also he doesn't know what to do, how to do, and he has
Exactly,
the interest of
exactly.
in everything nowadays.
Yeah, I'm living the same moment which I have already lived with my older son. And that's
Hmm.
how I'm enjoying it more, because I know that this is going to pass within like 2 to 3 years. He'll be grown up like 5 or 6. I'm not able to see this, and I'm gonna miss it definitely. So enjoy.
Hmm.
One thing is very bad about him. He started touching the gas stoves. So whenever I cook something, like any dal, cooker, gas is on, he go inside and just turn it off. He know how to turn it off, and he is able to reach that countertop. That's I'm
Yes,
really worried about. Yeah, it's not good thing.
they, yes, they are Gen Alpha, na. That's why that generation is very
Yeah,
dangerous.
yeah. We have never done this. Like we are the people
Okay.
from the generation. We never did like this. We used to trouble our parents, but not in this way. We used to
They
play
are
only.
they are very active,
Very
and
much.
also they are very intelligent. That's why.
Intelligent also. I admit, yeah, that's true.
My son used to told me, "Na, Mama, I am Gen Alpha. Yes, Gen. I don't remember that actually.
Gen
He
Z.
told like that. Gen Z. Yeah. Mama, we are Gen Z. You don't know how type of Gen Alpha children are. They listen everything, but they don't react at all."
Right, 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 right. That's true. That's true. People
Yes.
and the kids are very intelligent. They are one step ahead
Yes.
of us.
Yes, 2 years old and she know how to turn off the gas.
Yes, right. And even my older one, like 6 years old, he has a lot of knowledge about this world, Earth, solar systems, geography. He has knowledge about everything. And I did not have a
Yes,
single knowledge when I was 6. Literally, I was sometimes, but it's all about us. I think we are providing him the surrounding. That's why he's gaining that
right,
knowledge.
right,
It's not
right,
automatically happen. Parents are
right.
responsible for everything. So the
Yes,
environment we used to get and the environment we are providing to them, that's far different. And apart from
that
that,
part.
technology, it's playing an important role in their overall growth. Mobile phone and YouTube, source of knowledge.
Like this actually. All the facilities are available nowadays. Na? In that time, there is not nothing. We have to watch only the DD1 and DD2
Didi.
channel in TV.
We used to watch Shaktiman.
Yes, Shaktiman. That's on Sunday.
Shaktiman, Ramayan, but those were the golden days, I would say, because we used to watch
Yes.
Ramayan, Mahabharat, and any other religious show, but it's very difficult for
Mhm.
our children to watch them. They don't have that much patience. We used to wait for the whole episode 1 week. Like Sunday, if I watch something, I'll get it another next Sunday. They don't have patience. So, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, tell me one
And
thing. Do
you
you like watching movies?
watching movies
Do
like in
you like
Hindi or English?
any kind
Not.
of,
Oh, no, no, not at all. I'm not a movie person.
you're not a
Sometimes
movie
I
person?
watch, yes, sometimes I watch with my husband when he was at home because of the job. He is staying outside or in a different district. And on weekends, he come to us. And when he watch something, I just sit near him and watch.
Okay, okay. So, do you know Hindi language also?
Yeah, I know Hindi language.
How?
Because all the serials, all the TV programs are nowadays in Hindi, na. In that time, yes, you have already told, na, we watch Shaktiman.
So you used to watch that. Okay, so just because of watching serials, because your mother tongue is different. You
Yeah,
you're
that's
not
right.
supposed to speak Hindi at home, right?
What happened? Yes, in our Odisha, in Bhubaneswar, I'm living in Bhubaneswar. There are many people who are from outside. They speak Hindi.
They speak Hindi. So you just by listening
Yes,
you understand Hindi.
yes, right.
Oh,
That's
nice.
why I can say in my generation, all people knows how to speak in Hindi. But nowadays, now my sons in his age, they are not speaking Odia.
Ah,
They are talking with each other only in Hindi or English.
Hindi or English. That is true. Even at my home, also, my son, he knows Bengali very well. We are Bengali. So he used to speak, he usually speak Bengali with my mother-in-law. And when he go out or like, he never ever communicate in that Bengali language. He mostly prefer Hindi. He doesn't even like English. I don't know why. I asked him, why don't you like, Mama, we are Indian, we are Hindi now. If you want to speak English, go to the foreign country. Why are you living here? He speaks like that. I was like, how, what? I don't know how to make him understand that English is important. We should have to communicate because he completely stopped talking to me in English. He always speak in Hindi. And I can see that there is a difference in his fluency level also because if he will stop practicing, he may not feel comfortable later on the later stage. So, but
Yes.
these are the kids, what we can do.
Yeah, these kids are they actually I just watched my son. I feel that he thinks that whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm saying is okay, is
Okay, yeah,
right.
right.
Yeah.
Same,
They're
same.
stick they're very stick to that particular thing.
Yeah, and I
They're
think
not going to
boys
change themselves.
And I think boys are very stubborn also. They don't listen to anybody
Right.
very easily. We have to give them a proper logic to something, then only they are able to adopt
Mhm.
that particular thing. Because my son,
Yes,
he keeps
right.
asking me why I should do it, what is the benefit of this, why I should not do this. Like, this is how he asks me questions. He's only 6. Sometimes I feel
Yeah.
very shocked. Like, he's really a 6-year-old boy. He's asking me so many questions which are I am not aware of.
Okay. And I think he's very smart, na?
But he's very, what do we say, stubborn or angry. Angry ko kya He's very aggressive.
Okay. Is
Yeah.
he emotional about you? Is he very homesick or not?
No, he's not emotional about me. Not now. He used to be when he was only 3 or 4 years old. He used to cry for me. Now, when I say I'll leave you, yeah, go. He's okay with me. He's not emotionally attached. He's losing, I don't know why he's losing that emotion. Sometimes I feel that when I stop talking with him for a few hours, then he come to me and try to make me understand that, okay, mama, I'll not do this and that. But most of the time, I feel that he, in anger, he says, okay, go. I don't need. That's what I have noticed,
Okay.
and that's a very
I
big change.
I think it's maybe because of your second child. Now, when you born your second child, huh? In that time, it's not your fault actually. That the situation is like that. You have to
Right,
spend a lot of time for your younger one. That's why I
right.
think in that
And
time, yes, yes,
yeah,
the
initially,
behavior has changed. arise in
Initially,
him.
he was okay with him, but now I can see that he feels jealous when I spend time with the younger one. When I, uh, what happened? Also talked with any other YouTuber prior to me.
Yes, before I have talked to her name is Mahima.
Okay.
He's new in YouTube, and
Hema.
the Mahima.
Mahima, I know her. Mahima Shukla.
Mahima Sukla, right. Yes, I have watched her video with you, I think. With you, with Minu ma'am.
Ah, yeah, recently I posted with Meenu ma'am also, yeah.
Yes. I say the second time for with Minu ma'am. And also she has uploaded that video
Okay, okay.
tomorrow. Yes. But what happened? I don't just want to pick the call because what happened with Moima when I'm speaking in that time, some network glitches happened. Because of that, she didn't upload that video.
Okay.
Yes, that.
Great, your smile is so beautiful.
Oh my God! Thank you. You
Yes.
are also so beautiful.
No, but when you smile, it feels like that you're smiling from your heart. It's very genuine and very natural.
Thank you for kind words. I'm feeling over the moon.
I love to connect with the people like you because I personally also feel that we should, try to share our emotions to somebody because that is the only platform where we can express because we, especially
Yes,
women, we don't get time to talk a lot with the family. We are always
right.
lost in our responsibilities and everything that we don't get time to share our emotions with anybody. And I feel that it's a great platform. That's why I am so much passionate about YouTube, about learning English, because that's the medium of communication. Right now I'm
Yes, right.
communicating with you, maybe we'll get the chance to communicate with the people outside the country, and that this language
Yes.
will help me to communicate and transfer my thoughts, and that's the only reason I'm working hard on it.
Yeah, me too. I am working for this because I want to rejuvenate myself. And yes, you have to stay forward in your life, and also so you have to know something new, right now.
Right.
If you didn't do for yourself, you just think that I sometimes
Life
think that,
will
oh,
become
I'm in such a
monotonous.
situation.
Right.
Everything is talk around me. Yes,
Right.
I feel like that.
Yeah. And you know what? When I used to work in the
Yes,
offices, I
can you
used to.
give 1 second only? Can
Yeah, sure,
I?
sure. You can take the call.
Thank you.
Yeah, what we were talking. I was saying something, I forgot.
Yes, I had told that for English. I just want to rejuvenate myself. That's why I'm learning English.
Right, right. It's very important to understand this language at least. I want to learn one more language actually, apart from English. Once my children will grow up, definitely I want to learn some other language because my child is also interested in learning languages. He's so passionate.
Okay.
So maybe in
Mm-hmm.
school, I think the new language will introduced after third grade, right?
After third, no, my son has been learning Hindi from first standard.
Hindi.
Hmm.
Okay, that is the other language you have choose. You have chosen for him.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes,
But Hindi is
yes.
compulsory here, so we have Hindi, we have English. Apart from that, we will get chance to learn another language. Hindi, English is
Okay,
must there, yeah. So that one language
okay,
I'm thinking like French or maybe some other language which he feels interested in. He like Korean language. Sometimes
okay.
he was learning letters in the Korean. Few days ago I have seen him. That mama, look, this is how
Mhm.
we have to pronounce these. So
Okay.
he's
I think your son is very creative. In
creatively
a,
curious for everything. Yes. But he doesn't study at all. Does not, like not at all. He doesn't even do his homework. Doesn't even write a single page in a day. He doesn't sit for 10 minutes to complete homework. That's the problem with him.
yes, this is happening with all the child. Don't worry about that.
Maybe that's why I'm not putting so much of restrictions because he's too young. I thought let him enjoy his life.
Yeah,
After
don't
fourth or
worry
fifth
about.
grade, every person has to become serious in this language.
Mm.
And I'm trying to make him understand the practical things around him. That will be
Yes,
more
right.
helpful. Like not only book study is important, but Practical knowledge is very important for everyone because the time is very tough, the competition is very high, and we have to prepare our child for good, like hard
Mm.
in the future.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes, my son is like that, but right now he's in class 6 now. What happened? His periodic, first periodic uh, is done. Okay. And for that exam, I just get yell at him, please go and sit study. But he doesn't going to listen to me. He just when wake up in the morning, just read something and go to school and give the exam.
Same like my son. He is getting even weak because earlier he used to get full marks, but now he's not getting those full marks because he's not paying any attention towards study. For example, regular tests are conducted in school, in his school, but he does not learn those like sometimes spelling test, sometimes every day one or the other test is going on in this school.
Okay.
Study, yeah. No problem, but
But
I'm enjoying.
they are some they are very intelligent. Our child are very intelligent. Don't worry. But when we give lot of pressure on them now, just go sit study, they are not going to accept our words. They are doing whatever they want.
Right, that is absolutely true. You cannot force
Our words,
kids these days. You have to make them
yeah,
understand
our
very
words.
politely.
Yes, yes.
I don't even
And
realize it's already half an hour past. I'm getting the notification from Zoom.
okay.
So, yeah, I have to wrap this call up. Amazing
Yes,
conversation with you. I enjoyed a
thank
lot.
you.
And if you
Thank
have any question,
you.
you can ask me. Still, there are 5 minutes left.
Question. Yes, I just wanted before to ask you question. Are you are a Bengali? Do you fond of fish? I have listened the Bengali people love to have fish a lot.
I don't eat non-veg. I
Oh
don't
my
think
God,
so.
really?
Yeah, because I'm
Oh
not a
my God.
born Bengali. I'm from UP. I got married with Bengali person. That's how I
Oh,
became
oh,
Bengali.
that's why. Then
Yeah.
Bengali don't like fish. How? It is not possible.
Yeah, but in my family, nobody is hardcore fan of fish. We don't cook very often. It's sometimes like once in a blue moon. It's not the everyday meal.
Hmm.
But usually Bengali, they eat fish every day in the lunch or maybe in the dinner. They include at least one meal with fish, but it's not in my family. Because I don't
Hmm.
cook. Because I don't know how to cook. I don't want to cook. How will they gonna eat? Yeah, that's the reason. So if anybody wants to eat fish, my mother-in-law has to cook and she's too old now. She's not able to do
Okay.
it, and that's the only reason that
Okay.
nobody is eating that.
And how old she is? Your mother-in-law?
She's 71 or 72, I think.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
72 is
Yeah,
enough.
it's a tedious task to, be in the kitchen at this age because it's very humid here in the summer, especially around 2
Okay.
they make noise every day. Like my mother-in-law, she just get fed up sometimes and she come upstairs in my bedroom to take rest because it's very noisy whole day. Especially when my
Why?
elder one comes from school, he start creating noise and what to say, jump all around here and there,
Okay.
and she gets
Okay.
disturbed a lot. She's not getting peace at our house.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, but now in this year, in this age, the people just want to have a proper rest.
right. They need at least proper peace.
Yes. Actually, I have to say something to you regarding your health because I have listened a lot that you go to bed at 12 and wake up at 6, 6:30. That's why I have also commented on your video. Please have a rest for 7 to 9 hours.
Uh, Not getting
Hmm.
that.
You have
My
to.
mind is always busy in thinking something. That's what, like, I'm not able to sleep on time. I go to bed 11 or 11:30 at last. But one or
Okay.
1.5 hour I spend on researching or, thinking about content, practicing English. I do anything like productive. Or sometimes I have to freshen up my mind. If I'm very
Okay.
tired, I have to watch few Instagram reels just to make my mind fresh for the next day. So
Okay. Yes.
I don't know, no matter how bad, like how hard I'm trying to sleep on early, but I sleep around 12:30 or 1. It's very normal. 12
But
or
what,
12:30 is very normal.
but what happened na after 40 na? your body will give you the symptom of their bodies requiring required a lot of rest.
Already I'm getting my reports and it's not good. I have thyroid, I have cholesterol
Yeah.
problem because I'm eating
Yes.
outside food.
Mhm.
Now I have to change my lifestyle actually, and I have to focus 100%. It's not for saying now I have to focus, otherwise I will not get good health, maybe because it's right time to think about myself because I'm approaching 40. So maybe after 40 it's very difficult.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think your time is over. Our time is over now.
Yeah, it's about to over. It's showing me the notification here. No
Okay,
problem.
then.
Yeah, we'll meet you some
Thank
other day. Keep watching my channel.
you.
Keep sharing my
Yeah, of
videos. It would
course.
be
I'm
helpful to
watching
me.
1 to 2 videos in a day. Okay, you are growing up.
Thank you so
Okay,
much. It's
thank you.
lovely conversation.
Thank
You're
you.
so
Yes.
lovely person.
Thank you so much giving me such an opportunity. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye
Take
bye.